It's time to start investing, you guys. Don't let coronavirus and the pandemic and unemployment rate and everything that's going on make you scared and hoard onto your money. This is a great opportunity and I'm about to dive into it right now. Welcome to the video, you guys. Right now I'm going to be speaking about the 3 industries that I think that you should be investing in right now, because these 3 industries right now are at their pivotal point where the gains are about to be maximum. So let's dive right in. Number 1 industry I'm going to recommend right now is the cannabis industry. Why is that? The cannabis industry has been around for some time now and is starting to gain more acceptance. And in my opinion, it's not going backwards, okay? More states are legalizing cannabis. The pandemic and coronavirus is a perfect time actually for states to legalize, because they can kind of combat the amount of aid that they haven't been receiving and kind of add more revenue to the states, and it just helps boost the economy again. And we all know by the statistics that cannabis is recession proof, so it's gonna thrive no matter what's going on. It's kind of like food and alcohol. People are gonna spend their last money on that before they do a lot of other things. So cannabis industry with Canada has been around for a while, but if we look at the stocks, I'll put some graphs up for you guys. You can see that it started off really high expectations, and then it immediately tanked almost because it couldn't keep up with the black market and the demand wasn't as high as they expected. I think personally because of Canada's regions and how their demographic is set up, their geography is set up, and the population and density. I think the United States, as we move more towards this Biden administration, the Democrats are now gaining more control in the Senate. So that is going to have a huge play, considering that we actually passed the MORE Act. And if you're not familiar with that, the MORE Act is basically decriminalizing cannabis from Schedule 2 controlled substance, which allows states to regulate it more. It allows banking more if that goes through federal approved. So I can go in depth on that in a whole nother video. Comment below if you guys want to hear more details about the cannabis industry and what stocks to invest, because I'll be gladly to share information on that. Moving on to the second industry that I think you guys should be investing in right now, and one that I get excited about, is the EV market, the electric vehicles. Now, electricity is really the future. It's going to be the demand right now because, like I said, going back to the Biden administration, his plan is to create more sustainable infrastructure, put more pressure on these big businesses that are pretty much destroying the planet every day. We need this change regardless. So it's just inevitable that gas vehicles are going to be outlawed because of their impact. For so long, we've been doing this for over 100 years now, and the planet has really been suffering. So the electric car market, you can see with Tesla, they've just been a bull, just dominating the whole category. And that's because they've kind of been that only person, that only spot to occupy that category. But now brands are catching on. GM is catching on, Ford is catching on, Fiat Chrysler. All these companies have been working in the background, have been investing in these EV startups. Amazon's been heavily invested, UPS, FedEx is invested. So a lot of these businesses, they know that they have to make this transition. Now it takes time. We've been developing battery technology. We've been developing, the systems, the charging systems. So it's a lot, like I said, about the cannabis. Comment below if you guys want more information on the EV and the whole electric movement. I will be doing a lot more content on that, so stay tuned. But let's move into the next third industry I think you guys should be investing in, is the tech, online, cloud service, all of that tech, data, infrastructure, because the future is tech. You remember when the dot-com boom happened after 1999 to 2000? Computers took off. Shortly after that, it was like smartphones, and then shortly after that, it was social media. So we're seeing more of that tech transition as coronavirus has us, sheltering in place, avoiding this virus and human interaction. The internet allows us to connect. So you can see a lot of these services. One author out there for you is Asana. So if you guys don't know about Asana, check that out. This is a bonus stock I'm giving to you right now. The actual stock to invest in is very new. It's been moving pretty fast, you guys. It's already up like $7 in the last week. So keep your eyes on Asana. They're a cloud service based company, and they help manage teams and stuff for your businesses. So look out for them because they're in that category of cloud-based services. So those are the 3 industries I think you guys should keep your eyes on. Like I said, I'll create more content on what stocks they are, when to buy them, and all the other good stuff. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be back with more stock updates. Make sure to subscribe, like, share this video, you guys. Let's all create wealth and just get more established right now in these times of uncertainty. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll see you next time.